Hi, Alvin Mark. That was an awesome painting session. Welcome back to my studio. Today we're gonna talk a little bit more about my drone. Yeah, what I carry with me inside that little bag of mine. See my video called What's in My Bag, you would have seen this bag. It's by Smiggle, and if you're not familiar with Smiggle, they are makers of stationery for kids. Pencil cases, scented pens, pencils, files, you know, little things like that. I find that it fits my drone and other equipment perfectly. Smiggle is a company from Australia. So let's unkit this. Okay, first things first. Everything is so compact with the Mavic Air that I would leave the charger in there. Just to show you that this bag comes in two sections, and I leave a charger in both the top and the bottom. So this is the docking part of the charger where you slot in the batteries for charging, and this other part here would be the power adapter where you actually connect it and plug it into the wall. Bam! Next up would be the remote control. What's great about the remote is that it folds up into this really compact unit. These two little knobs here actually can be pulled out and tucked into the inner part of the unit, so that when you're traveling, there's nothing jutting out. So it prevents these little things from snapping off. The Mavic Air comes with not just 2 but 3 batteries. I have the third one attached to the Mavic Air, so yeah, you're gonna see it in a bit. This is a little charging kit. If you have a power bank, you can actually plug it in and charge one by one too. And of course, last but not least, the Mavic Air. It comes in this nifty bag. It's really compact for traveling. You got nothing jutting out, so it decreases the chances of anything snapping off. What's great about the Mavic Air is that I can shoot myself talking or doing a documentary and let it track me. And the neat thing about it is also that I can program it to do swoops in the air while I am painting. So this is the casing that protects the gimbal and camera from being crushed while it's in the bag. The batteries last me for about, they say on writing it can go for as long as 27 minutes, but I try to take it down by 23, 24 minutes. So there you have it. This is the Mavic Air. So there you have it, folks. What's in my drone kit or my drone bag. The reason why I've invested in this product is because I feel that to visit a beautiful location and not being able to grasp the bird's eye view of the entire landscape is just selling it short. So thank you for tuning in. Same thing, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe. See that little icon there? If you'd like to see some of my drone flying action, let's